To plug in power to your coach, simply locate the power cord reel in your basement compartment and pull the cord reel out to the desired length. You will then need to pull the cord through the access panel if equipped, and then continue to pull out to plug into your park pedestal. To retract the cord, simply press the retract button. You will then need to guide the cord back onto the cord reel. Before plugging into your campsite pedestal, be sure that the breaker is switched to off. You can then plug in your coach and then switch that power to on.